Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect on Figma. Figma is a powerful design tool that truly shines when you collaborate with others. It allows multiple people to work on the same design file simultaneously, fostering a highly efficient and interactive workflow. We will cover the essential steps to get your team connected and collaborating effectively, ensuring everyone is on the same page from project inception to completion. To begin sharing, simply click the prominent Share button found in the upper right-hand corner of your design file. From there, you can invite individuals by typing their email addresses or by generating a unique, secure link. It is crucial to set appropriate permissions for each collaborator, choosing between can view for feedback or can edit for active participation. This ensures that your design integrity is maintained while facilitating smooth teamwork. Effective positioning is paramount for Hawkeye's survival and impact. Always aim to control the high ground, providing clear sight lines and reducing your vulnerability. Utilize your double jump, skyward leap, for rapid repositioning. Work closely with your team, using your ultimate to secure critical kills on high-priority targets like enemy damage dealers or healers. Remember, Crescent Slash can deflect projectiles and push away aggressive opponents, buying you precious seconds. For optimal team collaboration, establishing clear communication guidelines is paramount. Encourage your team to utilize Figma's powerful features like components and styles to maintain design consistency across all projects. Organizing your files and pages logically will significantly improve navigation and efficiency for everyone involved. Finally, make it a regular practice to review designs and provide constructive feedback, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and ensuring high-quality outcomes for every project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.